Good morning, children. Last class we have doing factorization of polynomials only. This class also we are continuing factorization of the polynomials. It's a big topic, you know that very well. So we covered I think the identity a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square form, and a plus b plus c whole square, that is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2bc plus 2ab plus 2ca. That is also we have covered. Now the next identity based factorization only we are going to do. The factorization, factorize 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Since 4 terms are there, you should think that which identity it is coming. The hint is here only, it is a cube and b cube. So 2 cubical terms are coming, and see that the power of a is decreasing, a square, then power of b is attaching with that, again a is decreased and b square is adding there. So I'll write the question first. Solution: 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. I should arrange the terms, rearrange the terms first. 8a cube first, then which term is having a power is less than 3, that is the next less than means next smaller is 12a square, so I am writing 12a square b. Next a cube ho gaya over, and a square is also over, then a, so 6ab square. Then the last term is b cube. Now we have rearranged the terms like this, so you can see, cross check the terms with the powers. A cube is there, a square is there, a is there. Similarly b cube, from this direction if you are coming, b square, b is there. Here b power is increasing, and from here a power of a is decreasing. Now you got one. Now you should think which identity it is. Means it is equal to a plus b whole cube. It is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, right? So the 4 terms are there. Say here also you can see that the 4 terms are there. Based on that we have cross checked the identity and we checked the powers of the 2 variables. The first variable, that is a, power is decreasing. The second variable is b, power is increasing. Got? So these are the 4 terms we got. Now we should factorize, we should express in terms of the formula, that is 8a cube I can write as 2a whole cube, right? Now the last term we are writing as b whole cube. Now we identified the first and the last term. According to that we should use the terms here and take the product and cross check whether our factorization is correct or not. So it is 12a square b only. Now the middle term is 3a square b we need. So 3 anyhow it is by formula only it is required. What is a for us? It is a square, 2a only. So 2a whole square I am writing. What is b here? It is b only. Now 3 into, the power of a is decreasing, so 2a I should write, and power of b is increasing. Now what is the next step? We should see the product. 2a square means 4a square, so the number is 4. 4 into 3, 12. Right? A square b, variable part is also correct. 3 into 2a into b square, so ab square, variable is very correct. 3 into 2, 6. So we got back the terms. So what we can write means, here I can write like that, a cube, already a and b already there in the question, so we will go for xy. So here x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. It is not completed. We ourselves only changed to identity. So we must write that where x equal to 2a and y equal to b. Now this is equal to which identity? X plus y whole cube. Now we should replace the x and y, so 2a plus b whole cube. Since it is a factorization, I have told last class that highest power we cannot use. 2a plus b to be written 3 times. So 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. Right? So this is the first question. I'll repeat once again. 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. The first point is that we are having 4 terms. right? Now two terms are cubical terms. So where this possibility of identity is coming, which is that identity a plus b whole cube. So we have written and see that. Now we are arranging the terms because the power of the variable we must check. So we arranged in such a way that the power of a, that is the first variable, is decreasing. The power of b is increasing. 8a cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square plus b cube. Only rearranging the terms. What is the next step? Identify the first and the last term in terms of cubical form. So 2a whole cube and b cube. So this is our concept of making first and second term. According to that, these two terms we are splitting. So 3 into a square should be 2a whole square into b, and 3 into 2a into b square. What is the concept we are having? Power of a is decreasing and a variable b is increasing. So we arranged. Now what is the next step? We must cross check. So 3 into 4a square b, that means 12a square b. We are getting back the second term. Now third term, let us see, 3 into 2a into b square, that is 6ab square. So third term is also correct. All the four terms we are arranged according to which identity? These are the terms: x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. That means x plus y whole cube. What is x and y? X equal to 2a and y equal to b. Now we got in the power of 3 only, and we have to replace x and y. So 2a plus b we have written. Since the power is 3, we should write in terms of least power. So the answer is 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. So what is the question? 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square equal to 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. Next question, factorize 125x cube minus 27y cube minus 225x square y plus 135xy square. Here also you can see four terms and the two terms are in cubical form only. So you understood that this should be in the form of a minus is coming. So what we should see, that the second identity, that is a minus b whole cube. So what is the change? You already know. Minus will come means the second term and the last term will be minus, plus minus plus minus, right? These are the only changes for the formula. So now you are having here two terms plus, two terms minus only. So we are taking down the question first. 125x cube minus 27y cube minus 225x square y plus 135x y square. We should rearrange the terms if it is required. Here it is required. So we are rearranging the terms. So 125x cube, I have decided this is the first term. Now this will be the last. So minus 27y cube. Now plus, after that minus only. So minus 225x square y. Now one more point we should check. What is that? Whether the power of x is decreased. So x cube was there. Now it is x square, right? Now what is the next term left? 135x y square. Again you check plus, minus, plus, minus. The sign wise it is correct, our arrangement. Now the power of x, x cube, x square, x. Right. Now y from second term, y square, y cube. The power of x is decreasing, then the power of y is increasing. And if you check the total power of the variables, then it is equal to 3 only. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. Again 3 only, both the end. Right. Now, how we can write 125? How we can write 5? X cube can be written as 5x whole cube. Right, 125x cube can be written as 5x whole cube. Now minus is there, that is my identity is also having minus sign. 27y cube means it is 3y whole cube. Understood? So we have got the first and the last term. Now we should arrange the terms. So what is the, according to the formula? 3 will be there, right? Now 5x to be reduced. 5x whole square. Power from 3 to 2. Then y is increased. What is the y term for us? 3y. Similarly, plus 3 into 5x to be reduced one more. So single power, that is power is 1 only. Again the power of y term to be increased. So 3y whole square. Now what is the next step? We arrange the terms. We should see that whether we are getting back the original terms. So this is 25. Right, 5 square is 25. 25 into 9 is 225. We got the answer. Now here 9 into 5 into 3. So 9 into 3, 27. 27 into 5, 135. Right? So we are getting back all the terms. So these are the terms correct. Our factorization is correct only here. So what we should write here? Now I'll write a only because xy are the terms here. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. What is the next step? We should write what is our a and b. A equal to, what is the first term? 5x. What is the second term? 3y. If this is the terms we got, means instead of these 4 terms, what we can write? A minus b whole cube. Now what is the next step? A should be replaced. What is A? 5x. What is B? 3y. So 5x 3y whole cube. Again we have to write in this way, 5x minus 3y into 5x minus 3y into 5x minus 3y. So we got the product of 3 factors for this term. 125x cube minus 27y cube minus 225x square y plus 135xy square. I think you got the idea how to do that one. So 125x cube minus 27y cube minus 225x square y plus 135xy square should arrange first 125x cube, then x square term. So minus 225x square y, then 35, 135xy square minus 27y cube. Power of x is decreasing and power of y is increasing. That way we arranged. Now already we are having 4 terms. The first and the last term we can identify as which is the cubical forms. So 5x whole cube and 3y whole cube. If these are the terms for that one, then we should split the terms like this. 3 into 5x whole square. Decrease means at the same time we should add y coefficients or y variables. So 3y plus 3 into 5x into 3y whole square minus 3y whole cube. Now what is the next step? Cross check whether we are getting back. So 25 into 9. Similarly 3 into 5 into 3 9. So we are getting 135. Now if these are the terms, then instead of that what we can write? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, where a equal to 5x and b equal to 3y. That means it is equal to a minus b whole cube. So replace the values, 5x minus 3y whole cube. If it is the power 3, we should express in the least power. So that is equal to 5x minus 3y into 5x minus 3y into 5x minus 3y. That is the answer. Next question, factorize 64 by 125x cube minus 96x square by 25 plus 48x by 5 minus 8. Already they are arranged in term only because cube is here and 8 you know that it can be expressed in the form of cube only. So there is no need of rearranging the terms. So we'll go for the direct expansion only. So first I'll take down the question. 64 by 125x cube minus 96 by 25x square plus 48 by 5x minus 8. What we can write for 64? It is 4 cube, right? 125 is 5 cube. So 4x by 5 whole cube. So we got the first term in the cubical way. Now 8 can be written as little more gap, otherwise we cannot complete all the terms. It can be 8 can be written as minus 2 cube, right? Now the sign is minus only. We identified what is the first term, so that is 4x by 5. But tell me what is the power. You can tell me the power now. Now this is 3, means the next step it should be 2. If it is reduced to 2, means what power should be added? Y term. C means the second term, that is y only. So here 2, y equal to 2 only. Again plus 3 into, again power of x is decreasing, 4x by 5, again 2 power is increasing, so 2 square, right? So we are getting the terms like this. Now what is the next step? Cross check whether we are getting the answer like this. See, 5 square is 25, so denominator there is no doubt. Now the numerator, 4 square is 16 and 3 into 2 6, 16 6 are 96, x square is also there, so we are getting 96 by 25. Now again denominator only 5 is there, here also 5, there is no problem. 3 into 4 12, 12 into 4 it is, so 48. So we are getting all the terms like that only. So I can write this as a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. What is a and b here? Where a equal to 4x by 5 and b equal to 2. Right? If that is the terms we got, means instead of these 4 terms what we can write? A minus b whole cube. So what is a? 4x by 5 minus 2 whole cube. That meaning is what? We should repeat the bracket 3 times. 4x by 5 minus 2, 4x by 5 minus 2, 4x by 5 minus 2. This is the answer. 64 by 125 x cube minus 96 by 25 x square plus 48 by 5x minus 8. So already arranged terms, so we can go for directly. So the first term we can write as a 4x by 5 whole cube, and the last term we can write as a 2 cube. So we identified, because plus minus signs are alternate only, so we are going for like that the second formula only. Now 4x by 5 whole cube is the first term, means the second term will be 3 into 4x by 5 whole square. What is the last cubical form? 2. So 2 we are increasing here. 3 into, again decreasing, 4x by 5 into 2 square minus 2 cube. Now we got the 4 terms like this only, and a equal to 4x by 5 and b equal to 2. That is a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube means we cannot keep this way. We should replace the values. That is 4x by 5 minus 2 whole cube, or we can say the factors are 4x by 5 minus 2 3 times. So we got the product of the factors like this, because the least power only we should express when it is a factorization. Next question, factorize 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 36a square b plus 54ab square. So it's not arranged, we should arrange the terms. So first I'll take down the question, 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 36a square b plus 54ab square. Now we are arranging the terms. First a cube, so 8a cube, then 27b cube will be last, so minus 27b cube, right? Now the power of a is 2 should come, so which term we should take? Minus 36a square b. What is the next term? 54ab square. Again check the power of a cube, a square, a. From the second term onwards, b square, b cube. Now sign plus, minus, everything is done. Now we should identify the cubical form of the first and the last term. So 8a cube can be written as 2a whole cube. I think now you already understood. You can move little fast. So 3b whole cube. Right? Now if this is 2a and 3b as the first and last term, so we should write like this, 3 into, yes, next term will be 2a whole square, again 3b, right? Now the next term plus 3 into 2a, power of a is decreased by 1 again. Now power of b is increased by 1 more. So 3b whole square. Now what is the next step? Cross check. So 2a cube and 27b cube, there is no doubt here. It should be minus. Okay. It is minus only. Now we should cross check this one. So 3 into 4. That is 12. 12 into 3, 36. Very clear now, I think. 3 into 2, 4. 4 into 9. See, 3 into 2, 6. Sorry, 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 9, 54. So 54 AB square we got. So all the 4 terms we got back. So what is the next step? We should write the identity now. What is the identity form? This is A and B only. So I'll write x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. Not completed. We should name what is our x and y. X equal to 2a, y equal to 3b, right? X equal to 2a and y equal to 3b. Now if these are the 4 terms of the identity, what is the formula for us? X minus y whole cube. X and y should be replaced. So 2a minus 3b whole cube. Still it is not completed. 2a minus 3b into 2a minus 3b into 2a minus 3b. Now I have done all the questions minus only except the first question. So we can see, because minus always children will get confused. That is why I repeated the question with minus. So once again I'll explain. 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 36a square b plus 54ab square. It's not arranged. So we are arranged in this way. 8a cube minus 36a square b plus 54ab square minus 27b cube. So first term 2a whole cube. The last term 3b whole cube. The first and the last term we have identified. Based on that we are writing the second and third term. So 3 into 2a whole square into 3b plus 3 into 2a into 3b whole square. After that we are writing the identity form. X cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. So which identity it is? X minus y whole cube. So again x and y should be replaced. 2a minus 3b whole cube. So the factors we can write in the form 2a minus 3b into 2a minus 3b into 2a minus 3b. So what is the question for us? 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 36a square b plus 54ab square equal to 2a minus 3b into 2a minus 3b into 2a minus 3b. Next question, factorize 8 by 27 x cube plus 4 by 3 x square plus 2x plus 1. Since all questions except one I have done with minus, one question I will do with plus also for practice. So just go through that one. It is easy only. If you understood with minus, it is very easy to do with the plus also. So 8 by 27 x cube can be written as 2 by 3 x whole cube. 1 means it is 1 cube. Some children will get the doubt that whether 1 will come means how we can do. So that is why I selected this question. 2 by 3 x whole cube plus then 3 by 3 into 2 by 3 x whole square into 1. 1 is the next last term. 3 into 2 by 3x and into 1 square plus 1 cube. What we have done here, we identified the first term as 2 by 3x whole cube and 1 means 1 cube. So the first term is 2 by 3x, second term is 1 only for us. So 2 by 3x whole cube in plus 3 into 2 by 3x whole square into 1 plus 3 into 2 by 3x into 1 square plus 1 cube. Now what is the next step? All the 4 terms we identified. Now enough practice you got. I am not writing the identity. You can write the identity and name the a and b there. Now we have got 2 by 3x plus 1 whole cube. That means 2 by 3x plus 1 into 2 by 3x plus 1 into 2 by 3x plus 1. It is also one of the important identity only. All the factorization is very important. I already mentioned that whatever I am giving in the video, that is your classwork questions, right? All the exercise questions you have to maintain in one notebook. That is our homework copy. While coming back, when the school reopens, you have to submit that also. So all these chapters, that is polynomial chapter, is very important topic for 9th class. So don't neglect the practice more, that it will be helpful in your next level, that is 10th class also. Thank you.